How to start investing. After landing your first job, just got your first paycheck and wondering what to do with it? Should you save, spend, invest, or just wait until you're earning more? Don't worry, you're not alone if you feel overwhelmed by the idea of investing. It can seem complicated, but it really doesn't have to be. The core concept is simple. Investing is just putting your money to work. The goal is to grow that money over time. Let's break down investing in simple terms, no jargon allowed. Think of it like planting a seed. You plant a seed, water it, and give it sunlight. Over time, it grows into something bigger. Investing is similar. You put your money into something, and with time, it has the potential to grow. Here are 3 key takeaways to keep in mind as we go. Start small, diversify, and be patient. The first step is to set clear financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your investments? Next, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. This will help you identify how much you can realistically invest each month. Even small amounts can make a big difference. Let's briefly touch on some common investment options. There are stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are essentially loans you make to a company or government. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a variety of stocks or bonds. This is a great way to diversify. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. The most important thing is to be consistent. Even investing a small amount each month can add up over time. Think of it as building a habit. The power of compounding will work its magic over the long term. So start investing small and stay consistent. Before you dive too deep into investing, let's talk about insurance. It's a crucial part of a solid financial plan. Think of insurance as a safety net. It protects you from unexpected events that could derail your finances. Health insurance is a must-have. Car insurance is essential if you own a vehicle. Health insurance covers medical expenses in case of illness or injury. Car insurance protects you financially if you're in an accident. These are just 2 examples, but they highlight the importance of being prepared. Insurance helps you manage risk. By having adequate insurance, you're protecting your investments from potential setbacks. It's a holistic approach to financial planning. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating. By following these steps, you can start building a solid financial future. Remember to set goals, create a budget, and start small. Consistency is key to long-term success. And don't forget about the importance of insurance. It's a crucial part of protecting your investments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing more no-fluff investment tips to help you grow your wealth. We're here to empower you on your financial journey. Investing is within your reach. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's important to understand the basics before you get started. Let's explore some key concepts in more detail. First, let's talk about risk. All investments carry some level of risk. The higher the potential return, the higher the risk. It's important to find a balance that you're comfortable with. Your risk tolerance is your ability to handle potential losses. Are you comfortable with the possibility of losing some of your investment? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach with lower potential returns? Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. It will help you choose investments that are right for you. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversification is a key strategy for managing risk. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of any single investment performing poorly. This can help you achieve more stable returns over the long term. It's a fundamental principle of investing. Asset allocation is the process of deciding how to divide your investments among different asset classes. This includes stocks, bonds, and real estate. The right asset allocation depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A younger investor with a long time horizon may be more comfortable with a higher allocation to stocks. An older investor closer to retirement may prefer a more conservative allocation with a higher allocation to bonds. It's a personal decision. Your time horizon is the length of time you plan to invest. The longer your time horizon, the more risk you can generally afford to take. This is because you have more time to recover from any potential losses. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both your initial investment and the accumulated interest. It's a powerful force for wealth creation. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's a key concept to understand. One of the most common reasons people invest is to save for retirement. Retirement planning is a long-term process. It requires careful planning and consistent saving. Start early and take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. These accounts can help you grow your savings more quickly. They offer tax benefits that can significantly boost your returns. There are two main types of tax-advantaged retirement accounts: Roth and traditional. Roth accounts offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Traditional accounts offer tax deductions on contributions. The best choice for you depends on your individual circumstances. Consider your current and future tax bracket. Consult with a financial advisor to determine the best strategy for you. Investing in your 20s gives you a significant head start. You have more time to take advantage of compound interest. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into a substantial sum over time. Don't underestimate the power of starting early. It's one of the best things you can do for your financial future. Take advantage of the opportunity. There are several common mistakes that new investors make. One of the biggest is trying to time the market. It's impossible to consistently predict market movements. Instead, focus on long-term investing and diversification. Another common mistake is letting emotions drive your decisions. Don't panic sell during market downturns. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs along the way. The key is to stay the course and maintain a long-term perspective. Don't get discouraged by short-term volatility. Focus on your goals and stick to your investment plan. Patience is a virtue when it comes to investing. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start investing, consider seeking professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan. They can also provide guidance on asset allocation, risk management, and retirement planning. It's an investment in your financial future. Choose an advisor who is fee-only and has a fiduciary duty to act in your best interest. This ensures that they are providing unbiased advice. The world of investing is constantly evolving. It's important to stay updated on the latest trends and strategies. Read books, articles, and blogs about investing. Attend seminars and workshops. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Continuous learning is key to long-term success. It's important to review your investment portfolio regularly. This will help you ensure that it's still aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. This involves selling some investments and buying others. It's a good idea to review your portfolio at least once a year. This will help you stay on track. Don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. Investing is a journey, and it's important to acknowledge your progress. Set milestones and reward yourself when you reach them. This will help you stay motivated and engaged. Remember that every small step you take is contributing to your long-term financial success. Celebrate the journey. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. By understanding the basics and following these tips, you can start building a solid financial future. Don't be afraid to start investing small and learn as you go. The most important thing is to take action and get started. You have the power to create a brighter financial future for yourself. Embrace the opportunity and start investing today.